Chime's Error Code 2001 indicates an account restriction, usually due to security concerns. This isn't a permanent ban, but a temporary hold to protect your account from potential fraud or unauthorized access. In this video, we will break down what triggers this error and how to resolve it effectively. Several factors can trigger Error Code 2001 in your Chime account. First, unusual login attempts from new devices or locations often raise security flags. Second, large transactions or those flagged as suspicious by Chime's monitoring systems can cause the restriction. Third, incomplete account setup, such as missing social security number verification, leaves your profile vulnerable to restrictions. Finally, any activity that Chime's algorithms classify as high risk based on their fraud detection models will trigger the error. This fraud detection process uses machine learning techniques like clustering and classification to identify potential risks. For identity verification, certain triggers like unusual amounts or new locations require real-time checks to confirm your identity. By recognizing these triggers, you can take steps to maintain a verified profile and avoid Error Code 2001. When Error 2001 appears, Chime activates its freeze protocol. This locks access to crucial features like transfers, spending, and deposits. This measure prevents potential losses while Chime verifies your identity and the legitimacy of the flagged activity. Your first step is to log into your Chime app. Open the Chime app on your device and enter your login credentials. Once logged in, the app will guide you through the initial verification process. The verification process typically involves confirming your identity, such as providing personal information to verify your account. When resolving Chime Error Code 2001, identity verification requires submitting valid photo ID documents. This is a crucial step to prove your identity and unlock your account. Prepare documents such as a driver's license or passport. These are commonly accepted forms of identification for Chime's verification process. Other valid IDs include state identification cards, military IDs, or government-issued documents. All must include a clear photo and personal information. Ensure the document is clear and all information is easily readable. Blurry or damaged IDs may be rejected, requiring resubmission. This verification step helps Chime comply with security regulations and protects your account from unauthorized access. When Chime encounters security concerns or unusual activity, they may require additional documentation to verify your account and lift restrictions like Error Code 2001. Common documents Chime may request include recent bank statements to verify transactions, proof of address like utility bills or lease agreements, tax documents such as W-2 forms, and freelance invoices for irregular income sources. To prepare your documents effectively, make sure they are clear and easy to read, dated within the last 3 to 6 months, with any sensitive information redacted if necessary, and have digital versions ready for quick upload. To submit your documents, first log into the Chime app, navigate to any account restriction notifications, select the option to submit documents or contact support directly, and follow the prompts to upload your files. A final tip: keeping these documents readily available can significantly speed up the verification process, often reducing wait times from days to hours. Chime uses machine learning to assess risk scores for each account. This AI-driven system evaluates factors like login patterns and transaction activity to calculate a risk score from 0 to 100. If your account's risk score exceeds a certain threshold, such as 70 out of 100, Error 2001 is triggered, freezing your account to prevent potential fraud. The verification process, such as submitting ID documents, helps lower this risk score by confirming your identity. Once below the threshold, your account access is restored. Maintaining a verified Chime profile is essential for preventing account restrictions like Error Code 2001. A verified profile builds trust with Chime's security systems and helps avoid unnecessary freezes. First, ensure all your personal information is accurate and up to date. This includes your name, address, phone number, and social security number verification. Incomplete or outdated information can trigger security flags. Second, enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code from your phone or email when logging in, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. Third, Regularly review your account activity. Check your transaction history for any unusual or unrecognized charges and update your settings as needed. This proactive approach helps maintain a strong profile. By keeping your profile verified, you can prevent up to 60% of potential account restrictions. These practices not only protect your account, but also ensure smoother banking experiences. If the initial verification steps don't resolve Error Code 2001, it's time to contact Chime support directly. Chime offers 24/7 support through live chat in their mobile app or by phone. Be prepared with all relevant information: your account details, a description of the error, identification documents, and recent bank statements to help the support team resolve your issue quickly. When reaching out to Chime support, it's important to remain patient and polite. Support teams handle many inquiries daily, and maintaining a calm, respectful tone helps ensure your issue gets addressed effectively. Clearly explain your situation, including any error messages you've received and the steps you've already tried. Be prepared to provide any requested information promptly, such as account details or documentation, to help speed up the resolution process. The average resolution time for support inquiries has improved to around 24 hours, thanks to recent updates. However, this can vary depending on the complexity of your issue and current support volume, so you may need to wait longer during peak periods. During tax season, many Chime users encounter Error Code 2001 because IRS direct deposits are frequently flagged as suspicious by the platform's security system. This issue commonly happens around key tax deadlines, such as refund deposits or estimated tax payments, as shown in this deadline's overview. When this occurs, the account gets restricted with Error 2001. To resolve it, follow these verification steps. Submit your ID and account details, and enable two-factor authentication if not already done. If these steps don't work, contact Chime support directly for further assistance. Freelancers and gig workers often face Error 2001 due to irregular deposit patterns from gigs. Submit freelance invoices or business income docs to resolve this issue. Chime added business income verification option. Following a settlement with the CFPB, Chime has improved its user support and reimbursements. If you've experienced prolonged restrictions, you may be eligible for compensation. Fintech companies, including Chime, are increasingly using AI for real-time risk assessments. This technology helps detect potential fraud more accurately and efficiently. The AI analyzes user data in real time to assess risks, reducing the need for manual reviews and minimizing human errors. This leads to more accurate fraud detection, helping to prevent unnecessary account restrictions like Error Code 2001. The diagram shows how agentic AI works in fraud detection, with components for data collection, detection, automatic actions, and ongoing improvement. Chime is piloting personalized trust scores based on user history. These scores evaluate how trustworthy a user appears based on their account behavior and transaction patterns. This allows low-risk users to bypass some verifications, making the process smoother and faster, potentially resolving restrictions in under 5 minutes. This represents a step towards seamless, trust-based banking where security and convenience work together. Similar to well-being scales, trust scores help Chime personalize user experiences. The increase in cyber threats is driving stricter security policies in fintech. Threats like phishing and data breaches are becoming more sophisticated, prompting companies to implement stronger protections. These threats follow a cycle including reconnaissance, intrusion, lateral migration, and exfiltration. Understanding this cycle helps explain why stricter measures are necessary. Cyber threats often exploit network connections and relationships between entities. This visualization shows how interconnected systems can be vulnerable. This leads to stricter policies like enhanced identity verification and multi-factor authentication. Fintech companies must balance security with user convenience. This authentication workflow shows the steps users must follow to access secure systems, including biometric verification and OTP. While this protects users from fraud, it can cause overprotection and account restrictions. Sometimes legitimate users face unnecessary barriers. Staying informed and proactive is key to navigating these changes. Regularly update your security practices and stay aware of policy changes. Looking ahead, Experts predict that account freezes could be significantly reduced through blockchain-based identity verification systems. Blockchain technology creates a chain of secure blocks that can verify identities in a decentralized way, eliminating many traditional security restrictions. Decentralized identity systems allow users to control their own verification data across multiple platforms securely. Chime is planning to adopt this innovative approach, which could completely eliminate error codes like 2001 in the future. This represents a promising development for more seamless and secure digital banking experiences. In March 2025, many Chime users experienced error code 2001 during tax season. IRS direct deposits were being flagged as suspicious, causing widespread account restrictions. Chime responded with a bulk email campaign featuring video tutorials to guide users through the verification process. This quick action resolved most cases within days, demonstrating the effectiveness of proactive communication in handling user issues. This case study highlights the importance of proactive communication in fintech support. In July 2025, a freelancer encountered repeated error code 2001 restrictions due to irregular gig economy deposits being flagged as suspicious. The irregular income patterns from freelance work triggered Chime's security protocols, causing multiple account freezes. The issue was resolved by submitting freelance invoices through Chime's verification portal, proving the legitimacy of the income. This case prompted Chime to implement a dedicated business income verification option to better handle freelancer accounts. Financial analysts highlight the ongoing tension between security and convenience in fintech platforms like Chime. While strong security protects users from fraud and cyber threats, overly complex measures can frustrate customers and drive them away. Experts argue that the key to resolving this dilemma lies in adopting advanced technologies like biometric authentication. These methods provide robust security while maintaining a smooth user experience. Biometric methods such as fingerprint recognition, iris scanning, voice patterns, and DNA matching offer secure yet convenient verification options. By investing in these user-friendly security measures, Chime can ensure long-term success in the competitive fintech landscape. Let's examine the key statistics for Chime Error Code 2001. As of Q1 2026, 2.5% of Chime users encounter this error monthly, marking a decrease from 3.5% in 2024. This shows progress in reducing false restrictions. However, the resolution success rate is impressive. 92% of reported cases are fixed through self-service tools. The remaining cases require escalation to support, but this high success rate highlights how effective Chime's automated support has become. Certain user demographics are more prone to encountering error code 2001 on Chime. Younger users aged 18 to 34 are 20% more likely to trigger this error due to their frequent app logins and mobile banking habits. International users face 15% higher rates of restrictions because of cross-border verification challenges and differences in regulatory requirements. Understanding these demographic patterns can help users take proactive steps to maintain verified profiles and avoid triggering security restrictions. Error Code 2001 serves as an important security measure to protect your Chime account from unauthorized access and potential fraud. By understanding what triggers this error, such as unusual transactions or incomplete verification, you can better anticipate and prevent potential restrictions. Following the proper verification steps, like preparing your documents and contacting support when needed, allows you to resolve any issues quickly. Staying informed about Chime's policies and updates helps you maintain a verified profile and minimizes the risk of encountering this error in the future. Together, these practices ensure you have a smooth and secure banking experience with Chime. Remember to regularly review your account settings and stay updated on security best practices for the best protection.